Dear students, see the problem is a body is projected with an angle theta as shown in figure in crossing two points which are same height at a horizontal separation to A. Now the question is find the horizontal range of this projectile is. See, we will discuss if it is x, then it is also x for symmetry and is also x. Generally from the given diagram, a range is x plus x to x plus 2a. Here x is equal to r minus 2a by 2. Actually, the representation of this point is indicated as y is equal to x tan theta in bracket 1 minus x by r. At this point, y is a, and in place of x, put a value of this r minus 2a by 2. R minus 2a by 2 into tan theta in bracket 1 minus x means r minus 2a by 2, and if we simplify this, now the x is, if you cross multiply this equation, 2 into 2 is 4a on left side, and for this tan theta in bracket r minus 2a, it is 2, and here if you simplify, in place of x, r minus 2a by, it is r, so it is also r, then here additional term is r. Now see, r minus 2a by 2, one term. Second one is, it is two r minus r is r, minus of minus plus 2a. So it is r plus 2a by 2r. Actually, by bringing this 2 into 2 4r, it is 4r into a, so this is taken as common, and if you simplify it, left side is 4ar tan theta in bracket, it is r square minus 4a square, r square minus 4a square. And if you write the equation in terms of r, tan theta r square, by bringing to this side, it is minus 4ar, the remaining term is c, and if we simplify it, the remaining term is on the same side, it is minus 4a square tan theta is equal to 0. If you write the expression for r minus b means 4a plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Here b square is 16a square minus 4a tan theta, and c means it is 4 a square tan theta means tan square theta by 2a by 2, a means tan theta. If we simplify, this one is 4 square, it is also 4 square, by taking a is also common, then after simplification it is minus 4a get cancelled here with 2 times. By simplifying this in terms of a, it is 2a plus or minus. Here is also a remaining term is 1 minus of minus, actually it is minus of minus 4ac, it will becomes plus, then under root 2a, if you take it is 2a in bracket 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta, under root is secant theta by tan theta. Here actually the range is positive value, so we consider only positive value. So by taking 2a is common, minus b, here minus of minus plus, and when you take the 2a is common, 1 by tan theta plus, here it is secant theta means 1 by cos theta, it is sin theta by cos theta get cancelled, here the remaining term is only sin theta, and if we simplify it to a in bracket, it is cos by sin theta, and it is also 1 by sin theta means plus 1, the LCM is sin theta. So here if you rewrite 1 plus cos theta means 2a, 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2 by sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. If you simplify the range r is equal to 2 get cancelled, 1 cos theta get cancelled, and the remaining term is 2a cos by sin means cot theta by 2. See the expression for range is r is equal to 2a cot theta by 2. See the once again only by using the total range r is equal to 2x plus 2a. Next one is a kinematic equation. Here y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. We simplified the equation is